Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook kabobs on the grill. First, gather your ingredients and prepare your skewers. If using wooden skewers, immerse them in water for at least 30 minutes. This prevents them from catching fire on the hot grill. Next, cut your chosen meats and vegetables, like bell peppers and onions, into uniform, bite-sized pieces, ideally about 1 1/2 inches. Marinate your ingredients for at least 2 hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate deeply, ensuring every bite is delicious. Now let's assemble those flavorful kabobs. Begin by alternating your prepared ingredients onto the skewers, perhaps a piece of chicken, then a bell pepper, then an onion. Aim for an attractive pattern, making sure to leave just a small amount of space, about 1/4 of an inch, between each item. This crucial gap allows for even heat distribution, ensuring every side cooks thoroughly. Do not overcrowd the skewers, as this can steam your food instead of grilling it beautifully. Proper grill setup is essential for perfect kabobs. Start by thoroughly cleaning your grill grates using a sturdy wire brush. This prevents any sticking and ensures a clean sear. Next, preheat your grill to a medium-high temperature, which is typically around 400 degrees Fahrenheit. For optimal results, create 2 heat zones on your grill, one side with direct, higher heat for searing, and another with indirect, lower heat for gentler cooking. This 2-zone approach provides versatile control over your cooking process. When you are ready to grill, carefully place your kabobs over the direct heat zone to achieve a lovely sear on the outside. After a few minutes, move them to the indirect heat zone if they are cooking too quickly. Turn the kabobs every 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring each side receives equal exposure to the heat, creating an even, golden brown finish. During the final 5 minutes of grilling, brush on any reserved marinade or a favorite barbecue sauce, enhancing their deliciousness and adding a glossy finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.